Melody.
Ada orang panggil dia tu, nama dia Melody. Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys. Okay guys, so nak jadi ceritanya hari ni kita nak tengok ada satu video ni. Ada seorang tiktokers ni, dia buat video and then dia merasakan ada bunyi dekat belakang dia. Padahal dia duduk seorang tau kat dalam rumah tu. Lepas tu dia rasa macam kucing dia yang bercakap. So adakah betul kucing dia yang cakap ataupun ada penjelasan pasal benda ni? Dikatakan ada kejadian mimik, M-I-M-I-C. Maksudnya benda tu ngajuk suara kita. So macam tak tahu sama ada kucing ataupun benda tu yang mengajuk dia. So sebenarnya ramai tahu yang dah menghadapi benda ni dan dikatakan dalam Islam pun ada benda ni. Aku tak tahu betul ke tak weh. Aku tak kaji dengan sebetulnya. So kita tengok dulu sama-sama video daripada TikToker ni. Sumpah viral gila, 36 million weh. So adakah betul kucing dia yang bercakap ataupun benda tu yang mengajuk dia? Padahal tak ada orang kat rumah dia weh. Okay, jom kita tengok. Go. Okay ni.
Okay, first of all, why didn't anyone tell me that if you have yeah?
Kau dengar. Dengar kan? Dia teringat dia duduk seorang-seorang kat rumah.
My bad. So I forgot. I didn't think about it. I'm home alone and I thought someone called me and
dia dengar suara ada orang panggil dia. Tapi dia seorang. Scary bunga bilik dia.
Maybe it was my cat and she sounds like a human sometimes. That was you, right? Right? Okay, first of all, why? Melody. Melody.
Ada orang panggil dia tu, nama dia Melody. Kau dengar kan? Okay. So ada penjelasan. Aku tak tahu lah penjelasan ke apa, tapi tengok video yang
this one TikTok video, a girl was like doing a get ready with me in her house. It was just her and her cat while she was doing this video. Her name is Melody. While she's doing this video, all you hear in the background is Mel.
Someone tell me that if you have yeah?
Dengar kan? Dia panggil Mel.
And she's like, in the video. Yeah, when you're talking to a camera, you're so distracted. So she goes Mel, and then Melody goes yeah. And that's when she fucked up because she acknowledged the spirit, right? In the video you can even see.
Maksudnya tak boleh jawab weh kalau kita dengar orang panggil nama kita, dengar suara kita. Tak boleh katanya lah.
You're like, wait, I'm the only one in the house. Yeah. Right? So she's like shaking it off. I'm gonna continue, right? Oh yeah, guys, this is what I'm gonna do. Melody.
I forgot. I didn't think about it. I'm home alone and I thought someone called me and
Melody.
Oh, something in the background says Melody, fam. And this is why she's like, she turns off the camera and posts on TikTok. And everyone on the TikTok comments are saying that's what you call a mimic. So
it pretends to be something.
This one TikTok video, a girl was like doing
Mimik. Mimik tu apa? Nama macam aku, Mimi. Tapi bukan guys. Okay, so kita nak tengok beberapa compilation orang kena kejadian mimik tu juga. Maksudnya bukan kucing. Tak tahulah betul ke tak kucing dia yang bercakap ke apa ke. Tapi sumpah scary weh. Suara sama pula tu. Okay, tonton.
A famous TikTok star named Valeria posted a terrifying TikTok that went completely viral, in which a mysterious creature, most likely a mimic, is talking to her, trying to bait her out of her room while she is home alone.
I swear there's someone outside my room. Wait.
What happened next truly shocked her whole fan base. Later on, she explained that it has never happened before, and she was absolutely terrified. Keep watching.
Dengar tak dia panggil hey? Banyak kali siut dia panggil. Nampak sikit. Wih. Scary juga. Daddy ke apa weh? Tapi sumpah scary weh. Ya Allah. Kalau aku jadi macam dia, aku tak tahu nak buat apa weh. Dalam malam-malam kan. Lepas tu dekat luar bilik dia tu gelap.
When you want to post
Assalamualaikum. Wah.
Ni kucing boleh cakap.
كيف حالك؟
I love this video so much because it's such a good illustration of what a lot of scientists have been studying. For example, at Lund University in Sweden, scientists have been studying different vocalization patterns of cats and how they seem to kind of mimic the humans around them with their different vocalization tones and patterns and so forth. And it seems like over time, cats develop a kind of pigeon language in order to speak with humans. It's basically the way that they learn to communicate ever since they're kittens and stuff. But in short, cats will literally modify the way that they meow in order to mimic what they hear in the humans. Or I was just watching a video of a kitten who barks like a dog because it was raised by dogs, right? And it just barks because that's what it's been taught to do. And cats will literally just mimic that. In the case of this video, the cat literally sounds like it's speaking Arabic, in part because it is being raised by people who are speaking Arabic. If you've ever been told that your cat kind of sounds like you, this is why.
Dengar balik yang kucing tu jawab.
Assalamualaikum. Wah.
Comel. Walayam. Macam budak-budak yang pelak macam walayam. Kau ni geram aku pula. Comel betul. Okay, seterusnya. Aku tak tahu ni mimik ke apa, tapi scary lah. Ui.
What the fuck?
Benda tu belah. Banyak gila anjing dia.
Too scared to open my door.
Scary. Ini mimik juga weh. I heard my own voice. Suara dia sendiri. Panggil dia daripada hujung bilik. Uish.
The reason I had to move out of my flat. I was home alone.
Apa benda tu?
It's your mom.
Tu bukan mak dia. Habis tu apa?
You've been there for so long. Gabe, come out.
Buka lah. Cik. God. Masya Allah.
Gabe, it's your mother. You should come out.
Then what's your name then?
Dia tak nak jawab. Meremang. Seram lah aku tengok.
Hey, I know you're a mimic. I've seen you all over TikTok and stuff like that. If you want to mimic my voice, that's fine. But if you're going to live under here, you at least have to pay rent. You got it? No.
Oi.
Hey, I know you're...
Boleh pula kau bergaduh.
Huh?
This is not my mom. She left early to leave something. If she really was my mom, she has the key to open the door. You do?
¿Qué? ¿Qué? Sacándome las cejas. Sí.
she was home alone. She was home alone when
He was living in the Appalachian Mountains when something tried to get in. User Dustin Frazier was living in the Appalachian Mountains around Tennessee when he heard a strange noise and decided to break the rules of if you see or hear it, no you didn't. Ever since then, something visits him late at night.
Open the door. Because I opened the door, so I'm not going to do that this time, but it's back.
Hantu Mak Saleh memang scary.
He sets up a security camera which shows no one outside his house, but the activity continues, even scaring the dog. He believes he's being haunted by a mimic, an entity that can imitate the voice of loved ones to try and get in your house or lure you away.
Okay dah, bye. Tak nak tengok malam, tengok cukup. Okay dah lah tu maksudnya benda ni sekarang tengah viral lah dekat negara-negara sana kan, dekat western country macam tu. Memang tengah viral pasal mimik ni. Mimik ni dia boleh tiru suara orang yang kita kenal, orang yang kita rapat. Okay lah, sebelum apa-apa jadi, jom kita endkan video ni. Okay, aku rasa tu saja untuk video kita ni. Macam biasa, kalau kau suka video kau, jangan lupa tekan like, komen dan juga subscribe. Jaga diri and always stay safe. Bye.